How to install the I-beam to make a crane. So this is after putting a thread in the ground. The last time I vlog, this is how to build. Starting to build a post of the post every corner. See, this is the installation of the post. Okay, so that's it for now. Okay, so how to build a crane inside the shop. So because of it's nice weather now, sunny, clear sky, it's 3:40 p.m. So this is the after installation the I-beam every post. The foundation of the I-beam is the most important after the thread and nuts. See, so this is the process to make a crane foundation. See, yes, see. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. So if you have more videos in my YouTube channel, just click the button and notification bell to more knowledge ideas to how to build a crane inside the shop. So that's the important. So this is for now. See you guys.